gonna be tight going down
Sorry,
the hallway
guys.
and down the stairs.
Sorry guys, this is tight down the corner here.
And if you want.
Watch your hands.
Are you in your apartment? We have a minute.
Yeah, today's the day. I'm pretty excited. Dream come true to pick up all this 35mm film equipment and able to take it home, and we're gonna put together a theater.
What do you got in your hand there?
This is the scope lens, cinema scope lens. It's for the anamorphic films, and then the projector has the flat lens. So there's two different formats on film.
Lots of parts, we gotta move.
And this is all going to my house, and we're gonna build a theater.
Yeah.
Well, this is.
Let me know when you guys need a break. That's the rectifier.
Yeah. This is Are you filming this?
You got the full plank position, Dad.
It's just,
Getting a workout.
That's a workout.
it's just awkward. It's like the great hand
Friend Earl. He knows everything there is to know about projectors. No, he's modest, but he knows. He's the best.
Dad, is it hard to work out in the mask?
Yeah. But you gotta have him.
It's worth it.
There you go.
Do that again, Dad.
This weighs probably 200 pounds. This is the power supply for the xenon lamp house.
I might be able to
Squeeze.
We're good. We're good. Great, just adjust your hand grip. There you go.
This guy knows all about this automation. He's really modest though, so.
Is it hard?
No.
Show me your muscles.
Christie automation, what it does is it actually controls everything on the projector. It has a start button, you push the start, and you're able to actually start the machine, and then you can program it to actually start your, or dim your lights before the movie starts, and then at the end of the movie, it'll actually bring up the lights and then closes the dowser. It's pretty sophisticated equipment for the film age.
And then what I'm gonna
Alright, let's follow suit. To build a relationship and started to be friends. It turned out good. I really appreciate this guy.
When did you say you met?
Oh, 1981 is when I started running film. And he'd always come to the theater and do the maintenance and the maintaining of the projectors. And I think I got to know him then. And then it just, as the years went by, we just started to form a friendship. And now a lot of times if we're at the drive-in, he's at his drive-in, I'm at my drive-in. We might talk on the phone to each other because sometimes have the same things to talk about. Because, hey, I'm having a problem here, what do you do? And, you know, kind of thing. It's quite cool. It's been fun.
Haha.
That's yours.
There's John's dad joke.
There's just one
Real deal because it goes on a reel. Yeah.
The real
This was
deal.
definitely on.
There you have it.
Where are the platters?
It's just part of this.
Fold it in half. And it should be in.
Woo! Yes. You got it to fit, Dad.
This is my daughter and her husband for coming out and helping us. And then Austin, my son-in-law, we're getting this stuff loaded and taking it home.
This is what family is for. We're excited. This is a dream childhood dream, right?
Yeah, I mean, I've run projectors for 40 years, and I was sad when the projection went to digital, and I've been running digital now for 8 years, and this is just really a dream because now I can play with film again.
And what's the name of your theater?
It's going to be the Good Theater.
And where'd you get the name?
When I was a kid, I had a Good Theater in my basement. I had a plywood sign that I made. I said Good Theater, and then the only thing I had though was sound on a tape recorder, so I'd get all the kids down there and we'd listen to it. It'd be my theater. So,
yes!
So it's
exciting day, bringing you back to your childhood.
So yeah, it's really sentimental. I mean, a lot of people may think, you know, what do you want this old stuff for, but it means a lot to me. I was sad when it all left, so.
This is going to be really cool, Dad.
This is going to be cool.
Preserving memories.
Well, this is our history of film, too. I mean, we got to preserve some things, you know, and remember where we came from.
I love it. Can't wait to see the setup when it's done.